So how to transfer money from Barclays to an international account. So to transfer money on Barclays internationally, you'll just want to go ahead and press pay and transfer at the bottom here. Then once you've done that, you just want to select send money abroad. And then you should be opened up to this page here where you can then go ahead and select how much money you want to send abroad. So for the example of this video, we'll say we want to transfer £10 or at the current exchange rate, 11.23 euros. Then once you've done that, you'll just need to enter the name of the person you're transferring money to, and then just enter the country of origin. So for the example of this video, we'll transfer to the United States. And then once you've done that, you'll just need to enter the details of the account that you want to transfer money to. And depending on the country, you'll obviously enter details accordingly. So because we're transferring into a US account, we'll need to enter an ACH number and the account number of the bank account that we want to transfer money to. And then once you've selected the account, you can then go ahead and review your transfer, and it is as simple as that. And if you're ready, you can go ahead and press review, and your money will then be transferred abroad. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like as it does help the video out. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and thanks again for watching.